Okay, we're going to answer the question of find the points of intersection of the graphs of x squared plus y equals 6 and x plus y equals 4. So first thing, this right here is a parabola. And this parabola is going to be upside down like this, 6. So this is going to be x squared plus y, which equals 6. But it's also can be y equals 6 minus x squared.
Do you want me to get?
Okay, well this is x is going to equal 0 and y is going to equal 6. And then there's another question of x plus y equals 4, where y equals 4 minus x, which this is a rectilinear line. And then when x equals 0, y equals 4. And you draw the graph. Then you'll have your line that passes through here. And with your parabola, you need to find the 2 points of intersection. So then you'll have 6 minus x squared equals 4 minus x, which will equal to x squared minus x minus 2. Well, this should equal to 0. So then you're going to solve this with the quadratic equation, which 8x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Well, x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Well, x will equal 1 plus or minus the square root 1 squared plus 8, and it'll be divided by 2. So x will equal 1 plus or minus plus or minus 3 divided by 2, which will be 2 and minus 1, which are the 2 points of the 2 x values where they intercept. So it'll be x equals 2 and y equals, so your point of intersection will be 2, 2. And when x minus 1 x equals minus 1, y would equal 5. You have minus 1 and 5, which is also the 2 points of intersection. Okay, and we're going to move on to question number 6, where we are going to determine an equation of the line that passes through the point 2, 1 and 0, -3. So first we're going to find the slope of the line passing through 2, 1 and 0 minus 3, and the slope will equal 2. Then we're going to determine the equation of the line using the point slope form. So using the points 2, 1 and the slope equaling 2, the equation of the line is going to be y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 2, which equals to y equals 2x minus 3. which we will write in let x equals t. Then it'll be y equals 2t minus 3. So, therefore, the answer will be x equals t and y equals 2t minus 3.